Now to some details about a free event designed to help older adults, their family members, and caregivers make informed and positive decisions about legal, financial, and lifestyle issues during Denver Senior Law Day. With us, we have co-chairs of the Denver Senior Law Day Committee. We have Sandra Sigler and Carl Gladstein. Thank you for being with us. Important topic. Elaborate more on the importance of this. I gave a little bit in the beginning, but this is really a time people should take advantage of.
Absolutely. It's a wonderful opportunity to come, and we have 12 different workshops that are on a variety of subjects, and then we have interactive vendors. We've got a lot of wonderful people there, and then possibly most importantly, we've got free one-on-one consultations with an attorney to talk about the issue that you might find to be really important to you right now and get some guidance on where to look for resources.
So what types of an attorney? That's a broad, we got a lot. Sure. So I'm sure from estate to wills, I mean, am I on the right track?
Absolutely, absolutely. We elder law attorneys, that's the beauty of what we do, is that we deal with a variety of issues. So we will be working with questions on estate planning and wills and trusts, and then we'll also be looking at things about conservatorships, guardianships, perhaps even real estate. I mean, we might have issues about you might have someone that might be living with you in the home that you'd like to see whether or not they might need to be getting out of the home. Okay.
Right. So that's a good range for people. I mean, at least to come and inquire. And Carl, these workshops as well will be offered. Which are those types of hands-on, or what can people expect?
Well, it is interactive.
Okay.
The presenters are there to cover their materials, but we always set aside time for folks to have their own questions answered. And if you don't get enough there, you'll find these folks are very willing to talk with you after the session, and we have the Ask Attorney programs going on as well. You can sit and talk with an attorney on what's specific for you.
And I think wouldn't it be important to bring that list of what the importance is, because then you go there and you're thinking, oh gosh, or you leave and say, I should have asked. Is that something that you would advise? Kind of get prepared. I mean, that's important.
Yes, most folks already have it in their head what they want to talk about.
Yeah, that's true. Something's really on their mind.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And then also you have the Colorado Senior Law Handbook, something you really say you need to get. So why is this such a great read for people to have as a resource?
Well, this has become the resource for folks in aging services in Colorado. We've been publishing this since 1995 or 6. And it started out as about a 30-page booklet. It's now over 500 pages.
Wow.
And we do this with the support of the Rose Community Foundation. They've been a big partner in helping this as a community venture. And this is written for the layperson. Attorneys lose the ability to communicate simply, very quickly.
How reader-friendly is something like that? So
even though it's put out by the joint sections of the Bar Association with the Elder Law section and the Trust and Estate section, it's written for the general public. Okay, so and then within that there are resources to contact as well for additional information.
And this could be for both of you. What do you feel are some of the biggest concerns, or what you hear the most, or some of the takeaways where, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of questions.
Oh, there are, and I think people are looking to be assured that they have choices. There are options available to maintain their own personal dignity as they age, and what arrangements can I make to put financial or medical agents in place? What can I do to safely age within my home? What do I need to do there?
Yes,
absolutely.
Most of us would rather stay in our own home as long as possible.
Right.
Exactly.
And what are some of your takeaways from that, and what you've learned, or advice? Maybe bigger areas to focus on? I got lots of questions here.
Okay.
Well, one of the
20 seconds. There you go.
20 seconds. From my perspective, powers of attorney, both financial and medical, are some of the most important documents you can have. If you don't have a will, that's okay. There's a statutory scheme that says what will happen with your estate. But if you want to be in charge of what's going to happen when you have a disability, your powers of attorney are key. And then picking your agent is the most important part of that.
And that leads us right to our keynote speaker, which is Jane Walsh with the Denver District Attorney's Office, going to be talking about financial powers of attorney.
Well, thank you so much for sharing this with our viewers. Have a great weekend. Stay cool out there.
Thank
It's hot
you.
coming in here.
All right.
Denver Senior Law Day, Saturday, July 27th from 8:15 a.m. to noon at Denver's PPA Event Center. Registration starts in the morning, 7:30 a.m. or hop online, seniorlawdaycolorado.com. You'll receive the 2019 Colorado Senior Law Handbook and a free one-on-one with attorneys. Well,